Alright, we're back. We just made a video, so we're gonna continue with doing something. I'm not sure what's gonna be, but yeah, I thought I might stream for a little while. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 by 7 years. And let's see what we actually have here. What is this all about? Ooh, looks good. Ooh, not bad, right? Let's be honest here. It's not bad. Alright, but that's what we don't want to focus on. Mm, I think I'm gonna record actually how to make a website. But is it worth it? No, it's gonna take too long. And same.dev is now paid, which is very unfortunate. Let me log in. It's very unfortunate. Alright, what's this all about? It's in German. I'm not into German stuff at the moment. This? Okay. We're just checking, right? This is like a Shopify kinds of stuff going on. Cool. Let's see if we can continue our own project. Well, now you see it, guys. It's not paid. And 2 million agent tokens is not a lot. It is not a lot. It will last you a while though. But for a full-fledged project, don't start it. It's not good. Now, that leaves us with a couple of options here. So, what do I want to achieve, right? That's the goal. What's this all about? Let me see. There's no link. Let me see. Deploying. Let me see what the same app is. Oh, that's the I remember this website. Yeah, it's It's made with Framer. Oh no, no, I remember this one is not made with Framer. Hello, Catherine, and Agile sign-ups on digital board, creating compatible experiences. Scroll. Well, if you make something like this reminds me of the new kind of websites in Framer. This is how Framer makes websites nowadays. It's not bad, and I love this, to be honest. It's very small. I cannot read this, to be honest. It's too hard to read and those kind of stuff. Like I understand the theming, right? But it's more like a portfolio kind of stuff. This is for me. If you do this as an agency, like I wouldn't buy it. Yeah, the same kinds of stuff, right? The yeah. Wait, that subscription was really good. Okay, but it reloads. So if it reloads, then it's not using nextjs. With nextjs, it will cache this. I like the font though. Looks very good. All right. Yeah, looks good. Okay, let's create something. We're gonna go to um, we're gonna ask the AI, and we're gonna ask like, hey, what is the com most what's the most common type of websites people have? Personal blogs. Really? Well, let's create it then. Right? Let's create a personal blog then. Okay. Let me see. We are going to make a personal blog for selling. Okay. So let's see what's hot. What's hot? Can I log in actually? Give me a second. It doesn't remember my login. Okay. No worries. No worries. Okay. Let's go again. We're gonna say blog. Okay. And we're gonna open up Microsoft, and this is gonna be our first website because it's the most famous website, right? You've seen it, guys. You've seen it, right? So we're gonna say this one. We're gonna go format. This one. Okay. And I wanna title this blog website, premium website. Okay, we're planning now, right? Okay. So we have a lot of inspiration, right? What we want. Right. Okay, we can go a lot of ways here. Okay. 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 So I like this one, and this one isn't necessarily bad. It's the same for this one. It's kind of the same, but title blog. Alright. Let's do this one as well. I don't know what this is. Check it out. I like this one as well. And this one is really famous, but if it's a really good idea to do this, that's for hierarchy. That will be great. Do you see anything else? Okay. So I want to check out one of these first. Let me see. This one. So what is this about? So how is this a blog exactly? What is this? Platform for artists. I don't know what it's doing. It looks good though. It looks catchy. It looks snappy, but I don't know what it's doing. And that's what I don't like, right? But if the most famous thing is a blog, let me see if I can actually find something like that. Well, not here. Portfolios could be considered a blog. Let's go to Landfolio. Landfolios, something's. Lining folio. Okay, let's go to blog. This is vlog. Blog. No results found. That's really interesting because the AI says it's the most important part. Many people have blogs. Okay. Product, business, corporate, fintech. So there's a lot of stuff, but no blog. Right? Okay, let's see what we have here. What is this all about? The colors are not necessarily bad. They like brutalism, right? So let's see. Looks good. It's very daring as well. Okay. Next. So what is this about? Can I have like a full page? Okay. Let me see. Okay. Pretty standard. How about this one? This is the same but in a different environment. Okay. Next. Oh, this is also the same with another one. Okay, so what is this? Okay, this one looks better. Okay, what's this about? Okay, okay. But it's again, it's the same kind of provider. Okay, so what is this all about? Just one screenshot apart. It's not even a full landing page. Okay, so let's see how Medium is doing that. Okay, medium.com. Really? Are you that stupid? Are you that stupid? Are you really that stupid? That's crazy. Medium landing page. Is this Medium? And I cannot see the encached ones. Let's go to archive org. Already demotivated because of that one. Okay, so we have a lot of snapshots. Like, let's put this snapshot. Right? Yesterday. Are you going? Oh, fuck. Okay, how about this one? Letting it load for a bit. The hell is this? Okay, okay, I get the gist. Let's see if award winnings just have a blog or something. Can I search for a blog? Search. Blog. No, that doesn't need to be. So what is this all about? He's a pro. Or if he's a pro, do you have a website or something? Nothing? Why is this pro then? Offensive? Let's see. What? This is forever scrolling. Okay, I just want to say it's not back. What is this? A day of grid with Megalad versions. Okay, there's a landing page as well. Isn't this too much? Okay. Okay, so how does it look on mobile? It needed to reload. So it's not good. It's a heavy based and it's too small mobile. And I cannot click on this block. And this is also not. This is not done. Too bad though. You tried though. It might take some resources though. Like, don't get me wrong, right? If it's a video, it's taking long. Okay. I have to say it's not impressive. That's too much. So people have struggling finding the real balance. Oh, this looks promising though. Let me. It's a bit cheaped out, but I really like it. The this one, right? So we could use this one. This is one of the inspirations that I have, right? All right, great. Okay, art, event, learn, calendar program, exhibitions. Okay, this could be an idea, right? Okay, that's not good. Okay, I get that. Okay, it's a bit too much. What I like about this is this one. So I'm gonna save that idea. Okay. All right. No, it's not bad. Right. Let me check it again just in case about the Okay, so this is like a okay, so how can I screen record this again? Ah, no clue. But I will remember then. Okay, something like that. Let's go. Okay. Can I see something else? Not really. Okay, great. Let me see. The thing is, I want to keep it. There's nothing wrong with it, right? There's nothing wrong with it. Good parallax scrolling, right? So what's sticky here again? So we have an inception of sticky. Okay, so let's see the mobile version. I'm not a fan. And this is not a pro? That's what you're saying? How do you become a pro then? Because I don't think this is bad. It's slow. It's WordPress though. There's nothing wrong with it. It's still WordPress-like though. But it's made for that, so that's very interesting. So what is this? So I can go all sides. I'm not sure what style I'm gonna use. So that is besides the point for now. So what is this all about? Oh, we can do something like Pinterest kinds of stuff. Okay, so Pinterest like. Okay, I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna write down Pinterest like blogs. Okay, okay, great. Mm, I don't know what I want with this, so So what is this all about? Okay, so if I click on one of these, okay, okay. So let's take a screenshot of this. Okay, let's go screenshot, capture full area, whatever. Right? Okay. Copy. I'm gonna paste somewhere here, and then I just wanna cross this part. Okay, great. Now let's go all the way to the top again, and I just wanna see this one again. So what do I like about this? Okay, so where's the block? Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, it's a pro. Let me show you proness then. It's not bad. It's left very simple. So what is this all about? Okay, so what I can do then is like the moving part, right? We c- we can work on that. So like actually having videos as hovers. Okay. This is completely unnecessary. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, it actually zooms significantly. Okay. Okay, so it does have a I see. Mm, that's very interesting. I want to see how that is done. So we're gonna go to the 3D section. So this is gonna be a little bit exciting for you guys. Okay, so let's go all the way to the top, right? We're here. Okay, so we're here. Okay, we're gonna scroll. Oh, okay. Damn it. So let's make it a little bit bigger. Something like that. Okay. I don't know what that orange like is. But yeah, we're all the way on the top, okay? We're gonna scroll. I'm gonna scroll. So what is sticking? Okay. Oh, very laggy. Very laggy. But that's because of me. Okay, so there's 3 layers. And let's check it out. First of all, we have this layer here, which is on top. But it does end at the particular section. So what it's doing, it's not real sticky. That's what I want to say. Let me make it bigger, just in case. Okay. Oh, the layers change. Okay, I see. Okay, so let's go here. We are here. We want to check the layers here. Okay. And we're gonna scroll. Okay. Okay, so it is coming along. Okay. Does it stop somewhere coming along? I think it does. Okay, that's very interesting. Aha, okay. Ah, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, so basically what's going on here, what I think is going on, this one is behind, right? This one is front, but we have 3 different kinds of C indexes, or he hides it like somewhere like here. And then you have this one showing up. This one will always stay on the bottom. So eventually, when you are at a certain scroll, it gets hidden. Now, do you really want this? No. But I love to see it, right? What I like about this blog is how everything is filled. So this is the kind of style I want to use. So let's screenshot that, capture full page. I saved that accidentally, but copy. Okay. And I want to paste that. Okay. And most importantly, I want to know what styles it used. Why is this turned off? Accept permissions. CSS prepare. Revamped version. Contrast scanner. No. Let me see. Okay, these are the colors used. These are the typography. Oh. Oh, that's now paywall. Oh. Yeah, about that. About that. Yeah. Okay, what I'm gonna do. Um, what styles? What styles website? Checker. Oh, I have something here. What is this? Website checker. No, this one? Okay, what is this? CSS validator. Okay, what is this? Get it in a Chrome store. Now we are getting into that cycle again, but I don't want to get into the cycle again. So I'm gonna paste it with the other one. So let me open Figma. I try ask to open Figma. Why is he not opening? Okay, great. Now, okay, give me a second, guys. I'm gonna. This was the try. Come on, open that damn thing. Can you not open? Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a plugin called HTML to design, and hopefully it extracts the okay, I just wanna, I don't care about the light and dark. 1916, let's do this one. It's the only one. Languages, no, I don't want anything to do with that. Journal, web extension file, editor, drag and drop your files, no, paste code, okay, import. Okay, let's see how it looks like, right? Like I'm not gonna judge or anything like that. I want to see if it extracts the styles. Uh, create frames with layouts when possible. Yes. Create local style variables. Yes. Okay. Components of a effect. No. Okay. This is what I want. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it does have an light version. That's very interesting. Okay. So I want to see on. I don't think it's the assets. Let me see if I can find the styles and such. That did it save it, right? So let's go here. It says heading tree and those kinds of stuff. Okay, so it gave me black, gave me white, and the typography is also saved. So it is somewhere. But where? They changed the layout, right? So let me let me see. Create component, selecting layers, design prototype, view, layout script, rulers, minimize UI. No. Hide showed UI but dev mode. Is it on dev mode now? You gotta be kidding me, right? Okay, layers panel, libraries, open design panel. You gotta be kidding me. That this is on the give me a second. Okay. Okay, selection colors. See all colors. Okay, good. Now, where is this saved? That's my question. Let me get the charger for a second. Uh, okay. The typography. Uh, where are Where can I find the colors, the styles, and those kinds of stuff? I'm lost. Um, typo. Oh, okay, that's not the search bar. Okay, maybe it's here somewhere. Okay, if I do upgrade to professional, I'm not even allowed to check what's going on. So annoying. Um, Figma. Okay, if I'm doing this and I'm gonna go to images, I wanna see. Is this a new UI? Yeah. Okay, so when we go to the assets panel, we don't have assets, right? So let's assume we have we save this. Right? Like how do I save this? Oh, they are here. But if they are here, then I don't know what's going on, guys. iPad 18. It's global semantic. What's going on? I have no idea what's going on here. Is this what they did? Okay. Where to find to find your text styles in Figma? Anyone on any plan to publish styles? Okay, yeah. This might not match what you see in the product today. Appreciate your patience making updates. Okay, okay. Once you have created at least one style file, you can fill them in the local style section on the right section bar in the local styles. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and do I need to click something? Local variables maybe? What's going on here? What is this? Oh, they have like a whole library of stroke widths and okay, I have no idea what's going on. And from who is this? Is this from this one? So if I click here, I clicked here, right? So can I feel some local styles or something? Let me see. Gonna let me go here. Local styles. Where did I do that? Frame, section, group. Maybe I didn't need to be above or something. Markers ready for dev? No. Flatten selection. Mark ready for dev. I just had it. Where did it go? Maybe if I click on here and do oh okay I see. Yeah. Um oh okay and then I get like is he global and then I can switch or something? Rename delete and if I scroll down but okay but this one then has not wait wait a second. So if I click here this is a this is no this is not the image as well. So if I go here and do this it's gonna do the EC global as well. But maybe because I don't have I have it not set, right? So, okay. Because I created local variables, that's why. Okay. Are they any good? I don't think so. Currently, at the moment, I don't think so. So, so let's go here. Can I? Let me see. Can I create like like export or something? Rename, delete, create collection. Okay, and if I do this, oh, it's gonna create a new one. Okay. Can I like export? Add new folder called 36 styles. Okay. How to export styles from Figma. Export, no, not the framer. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Oh, it's a plugin. Really, do you need a plugin for this? Come on now, bro. What has Figma become? Okay. Exports from Figma design. Oh no, I don't wanna export. Okay. Useless. Because I cannot, I have to check it here, right? So if I go all the way here, then I have to basically paste. Okay, click, click. Okay. Can I see like a padding or something? Where's the padding? Why is the one 13 and the other one 18? That doesn't make any sense. Oh yeah, well, never mind. Never mind. I'm not gonna bother. Okay. Now, we have it in dark theme, so it's not a big deal. Okay. But that is a way to export a design, right? Okay. I wanna go back a little bit. Do we have something about this? Can we use this? No. Okay. Here maybe. Not really. Uh, it's not even straight. I like the hierarchy though, especially for the mobile one. Okay, maybe I should save that one. Copy image. I'm just gonna, okay, great. Okay, copy image. Remember, I am not gonna create a design for this. I'm not gonna create a Figma or anything like that. That's besides the point. Okay. Is there something I wanna use from this? No, 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 no. I said yes here. Why did I say yes? I don't know. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Oh, we already clicked this one. Okay. Well, that's it for that. We did some cool stuff here. So, what I like about this is this banner, right? And then maybe we can do something like this, like, hey, you're gonna enter a lot of Pinterest ones, or like maybe the most popular one first, right? So let's what we be the most popular one. Like the most popular one would look the most popular one would look something like this, right? So I'm gonna all right, I'm gonna paste that. So the most popular one would look something like this, right? Then we would have like a Pinterest section, right? And then we would have something like this. I'm not sure what I've written down for this one. Let me see. What do I like about this one? Oh yeah, just the moving one. That you have like a 3 block section kinds of stuff. And then I want to start the archive, right? I want to start the archive, right? Then I want to reverse that, and then we're gonna have like a footer or something. Footer. Okay, let me see if there's something else. Something like that. And I really like the footer on that one page. So let me see if I can find it back. I think what was this one? Yeah, it was this one. Okay. And like this kind of footer, right? This kind of footer, like something like that. Alright. Mm. Now, We also have the menu, right? We're gonna make some menu like this, right? No worries. Like, we should actually have a full screenshot of the menu. Okay, great. So this is the menu, right? The menu. Great. Now, how does a blog actually look like? I just want it to be something like this. This is the actual blog, right? This is totally fine. The blog itself. Blog, right? This is the blog. And then I can delete this one. And then what I liked about this one is this. I like this one. I liked it with the Teams one, right? And I also like the banner one, right? So these are the things that I like. So let's make a screenshot of that banner. Right. Let's paste it here, like something like this. Banner. Okay. Okay. Great. Now, what kind of pages would a personal blog have? So, what kind of pages would a personal blog have? Homepage, about page, blog post, categories page. Okay. Yeah. Great. And terms of service. Okay. Testimonials or reviews. Okay. Great. So let's make a screenshot of that as well. Right. So great. Awesome. So these are the kinds of pages that you want to have. Right. So for this one, we could say cada. No, not this one. The other one. We could say category page as well. Right? We're gonna put that right here. Great. This is like the blog page, something like that. Let me see. Categories page. Yeah, we have that. We have the blog page. We have to have an about page. So, okay, let's go to dribble. And I'm just gonna say about. It's gonna about me. Okay. Okay, that's really bad. About me. Okay, maybe better. That's too figma style. Come on, there must be something. Should I just keep it basic? Maybe I should. Well, let's check. Maybe we'll find something. Give it a shot, right? Okay. All words. I'm gonna do about page. Let's see what we have. It's not moving. It's too much. It's too much. I think I should keep it simple, to be honest. I like this. Let me see. Okay, how does it look on mobile? Bad, because this one should be on the top. Okay. This the hierarchy, I like it. Let me see if the hierarchy holds. Okay, very good, very good. What the hell is this? Really? Fuck off. Okay, I'm just gonna do screenshots, capture fill page, copy, and okay. So this is like the about, right? I don't know what I'm doing, really. All right. Okay. So now when I go to Pinterest, I want to see. I just want to type in blog. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Blog. Okay, I don't see the actual blog page. I get what like it says like blog and those kinds of stuff. I really like this one actually. We can do something with this, right? So let's do something like this on the about me page. Not here. Let's go here, zoom out, and let's go here. Something like that, right? Okay. Looks fun, but too much. Okay. What is this? This is not what I'm looking for. I want to see blog page. Okay, so when I click on this, do I get like more kind of blog pages? Okay, how much time do I have left? Oh, I'm way over time, guys. I'm sorry. I have to go soon. Uh, Give me something. Ooh, I like this about page way more. So give me. Okay. Let's go to here. Okay. Get out. Okay. Mm, okay. Well, the actual blog page seems to be off. Like the actual blog page, they don't have it as much. This is an e-commerce. What is it doing here? I like it though. Okay. Okay, so the actual blog page seems to be off. But this is the actual blog page, so why is it off? That's my question. This is more like an about page. Okay. Okay. I'll give it 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm not moving it the page anymore. I did have one more idea. Sale funnel page. Okay, good to know. I should be on Pinterest. They give me some hints, right? Great. Okay, gone. Okay, so is our personal blog page what we're gonna design. I'm not sure what theming I'm gonna use, but we'll see about that later. We don't have a specific thing going on, right? So it might we be going to go bold or we might going to go light. Like I don't want to sell only to how do you call it? Oh yeah, and I want to do this Katarina. I'm not sure whatever the name is. Katarina dot something. Let me see. Yeah, Catherine LA or something. LAFR. Why cannot find it in one go? That's not good. Okay, visual and graphic designer. Great. Now let's copy that here and paste that here. Oh, not here. Okay. Let's go to let's go to here. Okay. Not that one. This one. Okay. We have a link here. Maybe we can copy like the styles, right? Maybe we can even do like on 3D conscious stuff. We'll see about that, right? Because 3D costs a lot of money. But we'll see. Okay. I wanna see something with it about. You're pretty good. If you're a graphic designer and all this, you're pretty good. Design intern. Mwah. I don't understand. Oh, this is like a resume or something. That's how it looks like. Projects? Yeah, we can definitely do something with this. Okay. Okay, that is it for me for this time. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today with 7 years, and I will see you until the next one.